episode 52, and today it is extensively the wall punning preparations which are going on. So before wall punning, usually we remove the old paint. We go till the plaster level, so we are going ahead with that in the entrance passage and the living room. So what you see is that work which is going on. Apart from that, as I've mentioned in one of my videos, that fabrication work, I think last to last video I had mentioned that fabrication work of the living room is a bit pending. So today I'll show you that the AC extension box was pending, so we are getting that completed. Moving ahead, we have already completed the kids room flooring yesterday. What you see here are the white abro tapes. Yes, and why this is because we are actually covering the floor with gypsum sheets. So in order to safeguard the flooring, we actually prefer application of abro tape over it. Master bedroom, we have initiated with the flooring work. So stay tuned, guys, and thank you so very much. Do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you once.